me, I'm struggling. And you did none of those. So here are your choices. One, I'll sentence you to 5 years in prison. You can sign up for the therapeutic community there, or I'm going to continue you and I am going to extend you 4 years. All right, court is calling 2022 CR 0122 State versus Laura Gallegos. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Elizabeth Russell for Ms. Gallegos.
And are you Laura Gallegos? Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Laura Gallegos who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 0122 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams on October 17, 2023 for a period of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 7th day of March 2025 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Laura Gallegos, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the supervision officer in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Violated condition number 4, in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Laura Gallegos, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of April and May 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
State will waive the remaining violations.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to 2 and 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? You need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to 2 and 4? Court will find 2 and 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement is to deny, alter, and amend for felony drug court and 6 months of sober living.
And Judge, an extent, because her probation would expire prior to her ability to complete the felony drug court. So extend for a year.
All right, where has she been?
She's been relapsing and not reporting, Your Honor.
All right, so why should I follow this?
Because she wants to get help. She asked me about Alpha House, if that was an option for her. I explained to her that that was one of the sober support living houses that the program does use, that that might not be the house that she goes to, but that is one of the options. She is struggling with her sobriety and wants to commit to being clean, not just for the court, but for herself.
So what happens if felony drug court doesn't accept her?
Then I think we need to come back and figure out something else. So
For
maybe
the court, it's going to be felony drug court or safety.
exactly. And so that's what I was going to say, some type of inpatient program. I think felony drug court is what she needs because of the DDRF. But if they don't accept her, then I think that is the best alternative.
All right, so here's the thing. You know yourself better than I do, better than your attorney does, better than the state does, better than the probation officer does. I'm going to give you a choice. One, normally I don't give these choices because you haven't reported. The easiest thing to do is to report. The easiest thing to do is to come into court and say, Judge, can you help me? I'm struggling. And you did none of those. So here are your choices. One, I'll sentence you to 5 years in prison. You can sign up for the therapeutic community there, or I'm going to continue you and I am going to extend you 4 years. Those are your choices. And what I can tell you, if felony drug court doesn't accept you and you're going to remain in custody, if felony drug court doesn't accept you, then you're going to safety. What do you prefer? All right. Court will deny the motion. Oh, and state you may be excused. Thank you. Alter and amend. This is in custody. If someone makes a mistake and releases you from custody, the next business day, you need to come into court and say, Judge, they released me. If they release you by accident and you go disappearing, a motion to revoke is going to be filed. Do you understand? All right. So, yes, thank you. So you're going to remain in custody for a referral to felony drug court. If not accepted, then it's going to be safety. And there's going to be extension for 4 years. Is there anything else you need from the court to help you with your sobriety?
I relapsed, and I relapsed because I got a letter from Stephen Investing, my ex, and he told me he was getting out, so I just stopped partying and started using it. Went off the map, you know.
So I don't understand how the fact that he's getting out translates to your falling off, because I told you to have no contact with him.
No, he wrote letters to my mom's house.
You know what they do when some letters come back? Have you ever heard of the Elvis Presley song? He's not the one who originated, but return to sender, address unknown.
I actually wanted to keep tabs on him when he was getting out because I didn't want to.
You know how you keep tabs on him?
No,
You
not
call
like
the
that.
prison. No, you call the prison, and the prison will tell you when somebody is being released.
I think there's a sense of catharsis and saying return to sender and actually writing it yourself on that.
There you go. Return to center, address the unknown. And usually people get the message when you do that. But you can't do this thing where you text somebody, oh, I'm going to keep the letters because that's tabs on them. You know what that means when you keep a letter for people who are thinking differently? Oh, she still wants me. Because if she didn't want me, the letter would have come back. So there you go. Anything else I can help you with?
Well, I actually kept the letters, but my brother threw them away. Anything else you can. It's where he takes responsibility for that, for what he was.
At this point though, is there anything else the court can help with?
Thank you. Return to sender. They even have stamps for it. You can get them and just stamp on their return to sender.
I was saying about the charge itself, he takes his responsibility.
Here's the thing, return to sender. The only thing that I would suggest based on my experience, not putting return to sender on is junk mail. Because if you put return to sender on junk mail, you know what the post office is going to do? They're going to send you a letter and say, do you still live here? They don't want to accept that back. So there you go. All right. Good luck to you. Don't come back here for not reporting, okay? All right. Thank you.